Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how H&R Block works. H&R Block provides a range of tax preparation services designed to help individuals and businesses manage their tax obligations. You have the flexibility to choose how you want to file, whether it's through their online platform, using their desktop software, or by getting personalized assistance from a tax professional. The goal is to make tax filing straightforward, help you claim every credit and deduction you deserve, and ensure your return is accurate. H&R Block offers several convenient ways to file your taxes. You can opt for their online platform, which guides you step by step through the process, suitable for many common tax situations. For those who prefer working offline or need to file up to 5 federal returns, their desktop software is a great choice. Alternatively, you can engage with a tax professional by visiting an office, using their virtual service, or simply dropping off your documents for preparation. When you file with H&R Block, you benefit from several guarantees. They offer a maximum refund guarantee, ensuring you get the largest refund possible. Additionally, their accurate calculations guarantee promises to reimburse you for up to $10,000 in penalties and interest if their software makes an error. For added peace of mind, you can access support from tax experts, enrolled agents, or certified public accountants, ensuring professional guidance when needed. Getting started with H&R Block is simple. You can easily import your previous year's tax return from other providers or upload your W-2 forms. Beyond just filing, they offer year-round tax planning advice and audit support to help you navigate any IRS inquiries. For small business owners, H&R Block provides comprehensive services including bookkeeping, payroll management, and assistance with business formation, offering a holistic approach to financial and tax needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.